Ever wanted to start your own indoor garden but didn't know where to start? Well, you're in the right place. Indoor gardening is more than just an aesthetic addition to your home, it's a breath of fresh air, quite literally. Plants help purify the air around us, removing harmful toxins and releasing oxygen. But the benefits don't stop there. Tending to indoor plants can be a therapeutic activity, a chance to connect with nature right within your living space. It's been proven to boost mood, reduce stress, and even enhance concentration. Imagine that little corner by your window brimming with lush greenery, a soothing sight to start your day. Or your workspace enlivened with a touch of nature's beauty. Indoor gardening is the perfect blend of utility and beauty, a hobby that rewards not just with a greener space, but a healthier, happier you. So, are you ready to green up your indoor space? Let's dive in. Firstly, take a look around your home. Where could you see a plant thriving? To start your indoor gardening journey, you'll need to assess your space. Where do you see pockets of sunlight streaming in? Perhaps it's a sunny windowsill, a cozy corner by the window, or a well-lit balcony. These are potential homes for your new green friends. Light conditions are a paramount factor in plant health. South-facing windows typically bathe in the most sunlight, while east or west-facing windows provide moderate light. If your space lacks natural light, fear not. There are plenty of shade-loving plants, or you might consider supplementing with artificial grow lights. Now, on to the fun part. Choosing your plants. A world of leafy greens, vibrant flowers, and quirky succulents await you. But remember, not all plants are created equal when it comes to indoor living. For beginners, pothos is a resilient choice. It's a fast-growing vine that thrives in a variety of light conditions and doesn't mind if you forget to water it once in a while. Spider plants are another excellent choice. They're not just easy to care for, but they also help clean the air in your home. If you're after something striking, snake plants could be the answer. These hardy plants can survive low light levels and irregular watering. Plus, their tall, architectural leaves are sure to make a statement. Peace lilies are a beautiful option for those with medium to low light conditions. These plants reward good care with elegant white flowers. And who could forget succulents? These low-maintenance plants come in a fascinating array of shapes and sizes, perfect for adding a touch of green to your desktop or bookshelf. When selecting plants, consider their light requirements, preferred humidity, and maintenance needs. Each plant is unique, just like us. Remember, the right plant in the right place is the secret to a thriving indoor garden. So take your time, do your research, and choose plants that will love your home as much as you do. Now that you've chosen your plants, it's time to gather your gardening supplies. This is when the excitement really begins to build, as you prepare to bring your indoor garden to life. First off, you'll need containers or pots for your plants. The key here is to ensure they have drainage holes. This allows excess water to escape, preventing root rot and keeping your plants happy and healthy. From chic ceramic pots to rustic terracotta, the choice is yours. Just make sure they have those all-important drainage holes. Next up, you'll need high-quality potting mix. Resist the urge to dig up soil from your backyard, as it may contain pests or diseases, and often doesn't drain well. Opt for a potting mix specifically designed for indoor plants, which will provide the right structure and nutrients for your green friends. On your shopping list, you should also include a watering can or spray bottle, and a small shovel or trowel for digging and moving soil. You might also want to consider optional accessories like humidity trays for those plants that enjoy a more tropical atmosphere, or decorative planters to add a touch of style to your indoor garden. Now let's get to the fun part, planting your garden. Start by filling your pots with the potting mix, leaving some room at the top. Make a hole in the center, and carefully place your plant inside. Gently backfill around the plant with more soil, pressing it down lightly to remove any air pockets. Be sure not to bury the plant too deep. The top of the root ball should be level with the soil surface. Give your newly potted plants a good drink of water, allowing it to drain out the bottom of the pot. This will help the soil settle and ensure your plant is well hydrated. With your plants potted up, you're officially an indoor gardener. But the journey is just beginning. Your garden is a living, breathing entity, and it'll need your care and attention to thrive. A thriving indoor garden requires consistent care and attention. Like a cherished friendship, nurturing your indoor garden requires regular check-ins, understanding, and the ability to adapt. Watering is a delicate exercise. Too much can lead to root rot, too little, and your plants may wilt. The key is to develop a regular routine. Check the soil's moisture level before watering and adjust based on your plant's needs and environmental conditions. Humidity is another element that many plants love. If you're in a dry environment, consider placing plants on a tray filled with water, using a humidifier, or even just misting them regularly. Just remember, a tropical feel can make a world of difference to your indoor green buddies. Nutrition is vital too. Indoor plants may not require as many nutrients as their outdoor counterparts, but a little boost during the growing season can do wonders. Regularly inspect your plants for signs of pests or diseases. Spotting problems early can be the difference between a thriving plant and a wilting one. Don't forget to remove any yellowing leaves and give your plants a little trim now and then to encourage healthy growth. Rotate your plants periodically to make sure they get even light exposure. This rotation is like a little sunbath for them, promoting balanced growth. Remember, a happy plant is a healthy plant, so pay attention to their needs. Indoor gardening is a journey filled with learning and experimentation. Embrace the process, try various plant varieties and play around with different arrangements. Remember, it's not about getting it perfect the first time but continually growing and adapting. Absorb knowledge from plant care guides and learn from your own triumphs and mishaps. Each experience is a stepping stone to becoming a seasoned indoor gardener. So what are you waiting for? It's time to embark on your indoor gardening adventure.